Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired on WVIP 93.5 FM radio weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. In America, a marriage is more a financial relationship than a social one. What does that mean? Well, your spouse get half of almost everything when you get a divorce. So we tell our clients and we tell our listeners, when you're in a divorce, you do not divorce your money. You do not divorce your children. You divorce your spouse. So get your money and treat your children well. That is very important. But you cannot walk away from assets. Do not divorce your money. A lot of guys do this. Why? I don't know. They seem frustrated. They think that, it's crazy. But please, guys, don't divorce your money. I've never had a matrimonial client or woman who wanted to divorce her money. Praise the Lord for that. But the guys you have to convince otherwise. So maybe the mother has to come with the son when he needs this divorce, because I don't think the mother will give the son bad advice. But divorce is about money. And divorce is also about different areas of law also. And we're talking about wills, trust, estate planning, and succession planning. We're talking about bankruptcy law. We're talking about if you have properties and you're in foreclosure, or you have a business, who gets the business? Or can they get the business? How about one spouse getting a better education than the other? So one spouse works hard, the other spouse gets their degrees, and one spouse is stagnant. Whoa. Well, there are issues, obviously, that could help. Maintenance / alimony. But hey, it doesn't always work out. Obviously, pension plans, you're entitled to those, your own split during the marriage. So these are issues that you have to have addressed when you speak with a matrimonial attorney. I believe my background in accounting, economics, yes, a master's in economics, yes, it is important. Money when you get that divorce. A lot of people are casual about it. Oh, I don't want anything. I don't want. Please, the only money you may ever accumulate that could help you with your retirement may be from that marriage that might have been, obviously, a long marriage, of long duration. So please, Oh, yeah, and there is prenups, there's postnups to protect assets that you may have before the marriage. And that is important also because, hey, then, you guys out there, if you're not the best looking guy and some woman fall in love with you and you have to give her a green card, please, did you protect your assets? Because love could end when she gets that permanent green card or he gets that permanent green card. Yes. And the experience that we have had here at the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for the last quarter century, the horror stories that we have seen where green card issues is concerned is horrible. But we could protect you with a prenup, with a postnup, and more people are doing it. A lot of people think that you must have a lot of assets to protect, in order to do a prenup, but that is not true. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. And yes, mother, father, you have children, they're having a divorce, you have family, bring them in for that consultation. Sometimes, they don't listen. Bring them to the office, have that consultation. Why? Because they may be in a horrible, emotional state. And you do not want your family making incorrect decisions, bad decisions in their time of need. Show them some love. And you show them love by bringing them to the law firm of Figueroa & Associates for their matrimonial issues. Again, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.